Hello everyone. Today we shall learn how to add cover art to a release in MusicBrainz. So let's get started. Cover art is any album art or image associated with the release. Cover art can be added to a release in MusicBrainz through the Cover Art archive. So let's first see what the Cover Art archive is. The Cover Art archive is a joint venture of MusicBrainz and the Internet Archive to provide cover art images all over the internet in a convenient and streamlined way. These images are uploaded by users through MusicBrainz and are peer reviewed to ensure they are of good quality and spam free. These images are hosted on the Internet Archive's servers. For more information about the Cover Art Archive, you may visit its website. Okay, now let's delve into adding cover art. Okay, first of all, find the release to which you want to add cover art. As you can see, I have already opened one. This release has no previously added cover art, as you can see here. Switch to the cover art tab. Click on add cover art. As you can see, there are two ways to upload an image. You can either click on select images and browse the computer for your image, or you can drag and drop a file here. We shall see both ways to add an image, but let's first discuss some important points. There is no image upload size limit. Most of the commonly used image formats are supported, but you must make sure that the images you are adding are specific for the version of the release. For example, the barcode may be different, or you may see that some images are already added and they do not match your version. In that case, first of all, add another release and then add the cover art images to it. That's all. Now let's add some cover art. Click on select images and now select the image. Here it is. Now I shall drag and drop a file here. Okay, now I shall drag and drop the file here. As you can see, I added an image both the ways. Now let's see what the type box means. The type here refers to the category of the cover art being used. There are many types. They are updated over time. Let's discuss some important types. Front. Front refers to the album cover of the release. For a digital release, it is the image associated with the release in the digital music store. Back. It refers to the back of the packaging of the audio release. Booklet. Booklet is a set of pages inserted inside the packaging of the release. It may contain liners, notes, photographs of the band, musicians, etc. Spine. Spine here refers to the edge of the packaging. Watermark. Watermarks are a bit different. They are a piece of art or image added to the cover art by the person who uploaded the image or by the person or the software used to scan it. The rest of the types are documented at the cover art types documentation. You may visit it for more information about these links. Let's check it out. Okay, now let's see what the comment here means. The comment field here can be used for adding specific information about the image itself. For example, it may be used to note down the page numbers of a booklet. Okay, now let's see how to reorder cover art. Cover art can be reordered using the up and down buttons next to each image. Click on the down button and the image shall move down. Click on the up button and it shall move up. Okay, now let's arrange them in the right order. Front, poster, no specific comments. Scroll down and now let's enter an edit note. An edit note will help other editors to know that the images you are adding are genuine. Okay, now let's enter an edit note for this release. This is a CD release, but I found the exact matches to the digital images for the release. So I shall write it down here. Okay, now I shall paste here a link to the release on iTunes. Okay, here is the. I think this is enough for the release. Click on enter edit. The images will be uploaded. The uploading speed may vary depending upon the image size, your internet speed. Sometimes the servers at the Internet Archive may be crowded for any other reason. Let's wait while the images are being uploaded. As you can see that it has been committed and the images have been added. The images will appear here soon. Usually it takes only a few minutes for the Internet Archive to generate the thumbnails and the images to appear here. As you can see, they have appeared. So that's all for this video. All the relevant links have been added in the description. You may visit them for more information. Thanks for watching the video.